got to shock the muscle, and shock the muscle. I think that the 3 exercises for chest that I have always done, bench press, incline press, and then flies.
What's up, guys, and welcome to Arnold's full chest routine. We're gonna dive right into it. This is exercise number 1, this is the bench press. For myself and Kyle, we're power lifters primarily, so we're doing these nice pause reps. You're gonna get a little bit less muscle growth here than if you're doing the touch and go style, where you're really just focusing on pushing that hypertrophy, pushing that higher rep, pushing yourself to new limits. Really focus on that mid grip, pull the bar inward, squeeze that chest, and that's how you get the most out of it. Rep scheme for this exercise is gonna be 2 warm-up sets of about 12 to 15 reps. Get that blood flowing, and Arnold was all about still lifting heavy. He was a man, he liked to lift some serious weight. So what he did is he'd work himself up to a high triple or 4 rep PR. So he'd go 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, or 3, and that's what you guys are gonna do.
Yep. Exercise number 2, we're gonna be doing the incline barbell press. So the rep range is gonna be 12, 10, 8, 6, and then 4, 3 reps. Arnold, like Josh said, it was all about lifting heavy, but here we're gonna be focusing more on getting a nice contraction and isolating the upper chest for upper chest gains.
Number 3 is strict dumbbell flies. He's huge on the dumbbells and really emphasizes being strict. So with these, he has his arm almost fully extended, just with a little slight bend, because you don't want to overextend, mess up your elbow. If you guys do have injuries, be very careful doing these. You're gonna keep your arms as straight as physically possible. And he's about getting that full stretch all the way down to where you're actually nearly hyperextending this muscle. You're pushing it to its limit, so use a light weight. Keep it in control. We're keeping that same rep scheme. 12, 10, 8, 6, and he usually does about 2 6s instead of the 4 here, so you don't want to destroy it with too heavy. It'll burn you out. Make sure you're squeezing. Let's get it.
The flies was an exercise that gave me the full pectoral muscle development.
All right, guys, so a couple of tips for this exercise. You wanna stop just when you reach the top. You don't wanna bring it all the way in front of you, because what that's gonna do is that's gonna take the isolation and the contraction off of the chest. Another tip is a lot of people actually do this incorrectly, where they'll turn it into more of a lat stretch exercise. So on your way down, you don't wanna go fully down. So what I mean by this is, you don't wanna go all the way down to like here, because then you're gonna be taking the contraction off of the chest, putting it more onto your lats. And number 3 is you're gonna wanna focus on squeezing your elbows together within the movement to get more contraction on the chest. So there you go.
Last but not least, we got the burnout. 4 sets of 50, good old chest dips. The way to do these different are you're gonna lean forward, squeeze that chest in. If you're just doing your normal dips, you're gonna be like this with no engagement. The second you tilt that core forward, put that chin down, squeeze that, you're gonna get that little bit of contraction right there. Get that huge Arnold chest, that's all you gotta do. Pump through it, good deep reps, no half reps. Really focus on that mind-muscle connection. And that's that. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed this video. This Arnold chest workout, got the double bi for him. If you guys wanna see the rest of the workout, he hits chest and back, click here. It'll also be in the description if you missed my 2-second leeway to clicking it. If you guys like these celebrity workouts, check out our other celebrity workouts up here or here, wherever it is. You click that, a bunch of cards come down. Thanks for checking in, guys. We're Colossus Fitness. Subscribe if you like what you see. Peace.
You always look
Does
good,
this
bro.
look good? Seriously?
Yeah, you always look good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You want some big arms? Come here, come here. You want some big arms? Do these Colossus tips!
What's up, guys? If you're still watching at this point, you're clearly premium members of the Colossus Army, and we appreciate you so much. If you guys appreciate what we do and want to have a pivotal role in supporting and bettering us and helping us help other people, you guys can come over here to our Patreon and help donate. There's a monthly donation to help us grow with different pledge levels, with different rewards where you guys can actually get rewards for pledging. And then the beauty of this is this helps us effectively make better videos, get better content, and improve production quality all throughout. Thank you so much. Any donation would help so much. If not, just keep liking, subscribing, and being awesome. Thanks.